Good morning, guys. It's Chris from daxtrader.co.uk. It's Friday, 29th of September 2017. Let's look at the Dax Technical Analysis for the month end on Friday in September. All right, so if you're viewing the video on YouTube and you're not already a member on DaxTrader, go and set yourself up with a free account there, daxtrader.co.uk, register, and you'll be able to access the articles. Come and join the Telegram broadcast channel, which is the free channel for subscribers here, by clicking the link in the description below. All right, then every day you'll be able to come and join us in the webinars if you're free around about 8:30 in the morning. We've just completed one now. Okay, so let's do a quick roundup of what we've just run through. So month end Friday in September, and we are pretty much approaching the measured move targets, which we've been talking about for the last couple of weeks. 750 to 800 we've been talking about, and we've just kind of made a quick run towards that this morning as we opened at around about 8 o'clock. The idea we were playing around with was that we would get a retracement through the low volume node of yesterday towards the point of control, which sits around 697 on FXCM, and it's a little bit lower on futures. It's 690 on futures. You can clearly see where that area is, but we didn't even manage to really make much progress beyond the gap that opened up this morning. So we haven't even tested the value area high, let alone get to the POC. So that idea may not be there now. And instead, we've had the rally, we've had the spike, and we've almost reached the measured move target on futures. And we did hit it on the FXCM price, because I think we got about 753. So the only concern I have now is month end on Friday, we've kind of made that last run towards the measured move target. Is there scope now to go long on this one? On an aggressive intra-term basis, possibly. Okay, so just before I forget, let's just run through this. Financial markets is risky, involving the risk of losing our invested money. The webinars and videos are provided for educational purposes only. At Dax Trader, no investment advice is provided. If you decide to enter the trade on the back of any of these webinars, then please do so entirely at your own risk. All right. Okay, so as far as the swing goes, we're pretty much towards the end of what would be a 900-point swing. It's not even the largest swing that we've seen without a significant pullback. We had one in December last year. It was nearly double that size. It's not unusual for this market to have this kind of movement. If we are approaching the top of a major swing, then we have to kind of look at the market behavior and what does price action tend to exhibit when we reach towards the end of a major swing. And it's often going to be exhaustion. So we're going to look for signs of that. As far as getting down to the lower time frames, I mean, if we take a look at the 20-minute, for example, you'll start to see that price action is beginning to kind of coil up like this with a sharp spike towards the end of that move. So that's interesting. So we'll see how that move plays out. But the minor swings are still intact. And yeah, not really much more to say on the DAX, to be honest, for this morning. We have been trapped inside a channel that's been rotating. I can probably find a better version of that on here. There we go. So we've had some pretty clear channel rotation here. This is just a basic regression channel with the quartiles and octiles printed inside it. And you'll notice that it was respecting these levels until pretty much yesterday. We've pierced and broken outside of it in this kind of coiling move. And you'll spot that price action has been respecting these minor swing forks as well. Pull that one through, you can sort of see them in a light grey underneath it. But if I pull the first one out, you'll see that it came down to touch the median line, didn't expand through, instead broke high, so you would take the next one, which again didn't expand through. It came through and touched the median line. So ABC, I tell a lie, I've brought the wrong one up. That's the one I wanted. So ABC came up, touched the median line, almost pit perfect, didn't expand, came back down. So you then look for the next one. But the only thing that kind of was making us think there's still opportunity to go long on the market is the fact that this particular fork didn't even get a look in. ABC didn't even come down towards the median line, let alone get anywhere near an expansion, broke outside, continued to move higher. So under normal circumstances, you'd be able to jump on a long move here, but being month end on a Friday when we're already close to a measured move target, just got to be aware of those things and watch price action. All right, so that's a quick summary of what we've gone through in the webinar. We did make a look at, or take a look at a couple of other markets, but the ones that look interesting to me at the moment are Nikkei and gold, as well as a couple of the cryptocurrencies. So we'll continue to go through those in the webinars next week. So make sure you come and add yourself into the broadcast channel so you can get the link to those. And once more, that link for the broadcast channel is in the description of this video. So I'll keep it nice and brief for today. Have a great weekend, guys. I hope you have a good trading day for today. Keep an eye out on that 750, 800 level for any reaction today. And yeah, best of luck with your trading. Take care.